your shows. I saw a little bit of one, and I saw the YouTube one, and I was like, "What's happening here?" Wait, okay, yun. Is that it?
Yeah. What the Foo?
What the Foo? WTFU.
Yeah, what the Foo and
whatever.
WTFU.
Yeah. So what the Foo is happening there? Kasi parang it's you and someone with no shirt. Lang.
Yes.
Lagi.
Yeah, lagi. Hubad.
Yun.
So it's all about boys.
Okay.
All about guys with no shirt.
Okay.
So it's a naughty show.
And
So
that's all you can
basically, yeah, I ask naughty questions and then I ask them to remove their shirts and their pants.
Okay. And so what do they get out of this?
Nothing. No. Exposure. No.
Oh, they exposed.
Yeah,
and they get exposed.
expose themselves to have some exposure.
What are some of the questions you ask?
Siyempre, it's in Tagalog.
Go.
Sige. You answer this question.
Sige.
Ano ba dapat sa tao? Pinapalunok? Pinapadibdib? Pinapatyan? O pinapamukha?
Ano
Do you get it?
look, is that swallow? What's that?
Swallow is lunok.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So what should you swallow? The chan, the dib, or
Dibdib, where do you put it?
Oh my God. Okay.
So that's a direct translation. Whether you put it on the face or you swallow it.
Gets ko na yung question eh. Parang, what do you, I'm like, parang, do you swallow the chan or do you swallow the
No,
dib? No. Where do you put the thing that you swallowed?
So is it swallow or you put it on the face, on the chan, or on the dibdib? Or
Wala
on the
bang
chest?
next question?
Next question.
Oh yeah. I'll come back to that. I'll come back to that.
You'll come back to that with a O-M-E. Okay? Okay. Matrona o bading? You know naman what's matrona.
Oh, yes.
Matrona o bading? You should choose one.
Di ba matrona is an older
woman, yeah.
Yes, but what about an older man?
The bading, it doesn't matter what age.
Matter. Okay.
So you just have to choose. It's either matrona, an old woman.
So at this point, I would take my shirt off because parang I can't answer the question. Ganun ba?
No. You have to answer all the questions, and then at the last 5 minutes of the show, you have to remove your shirt and your pants. And then there's a challenge.
This sounds like a really bad show for me. So the only one that wins is you.
Hindi kita ini-invite, no, dahil alam ko naman di mo gagawin. But unless you change your mind, then I'll get a call from you at the middle of the night and say, yes, I'll do it.
In the middle of the night, yes. Hello.
Around 1 a.m., 2 a.m.
Yes,
yeah.
I'll do it.
I'll do it.
No, call my brother. He'll do it for sure. Yeah, he's been there.
Oo nga.
May ganon.
Pero mas magandang version, dalawa kayo.
Awkward.
And medyo awkward. And 2 separate episodes.
Okay, but yeah, he'll expose himself for you for sure.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's good at that.
Yeah.
Okay, what else? Okay, let's jump into our icebreaker. I mean, the ice is fully broken by now, but
you haven't answered. Gusto nyo sagutin niya yung chan, dibdib, swallow, or mukha?
I think swallow.
Swallow. Okay. How many teaspoons?
On average?
Yes.
Sandok.
Ayun. At least sinagot niya.
So our icebreaker game is very simple. I'm sure you've played the game. Maybe, what is it? Marry, fuck, kill, something like that. But we're going to do the hosting version.
Okay.
Ito yung hosting version. So, what is it? Mic, mix, and mute. You choose mic, you're going to interview them.
Okay.
Right? Mix, you want to co-host with them. And mute, ayaw mo na. So, set 1. So, 3. Tony Gonzaga, Luis Manzano, Ding Dong Dantes.
Tony Gonzaga first.
Okay, Tony is what?
Mix.
Mix. So you'd like to host with her?
Yeah.
Yeah. I've hosted with her a lot.
Yeah,
she's awesome. She's
yeah.
so fast. So you guys would probably.
Yeah. I had a gig, but I was in the red carpet, so she was the main host. So we didn't have any banter during the time.
Oh my God.
So.
I would assume that both of you on the stage would be wild.
Yeah, very wild.
Yeah.
But I'll be wilder with you.
May ganon.
Hindi nyo kinaya, diba? Ako lang makakagawa niya sa kanya. Do you want to be wilder with me?
Wild, yes. Let's go.
With a Christmas tree.
Let's go. There's balls everywhere.
Yes. And you've got big balls.
Big, golden, red, all kinds of balls.
Okay.
So now who do you want to mic? Which is you want to interview them, and then who do you want to mute?
Kawawa naman si Ding Dong Dantes. So syempre kay Luis ibibigay ko yung mic.
Yung mic. Si Ding Dong ayaw.
Paano si Ding Dong? Wait, I'll change it. Sorry, Ding Dong, I'll just give the mic. I'll interview Ding Dong.
Baka you want to go wild with Ding Dong.
Pwede naman din. But
Kasi ding dong eh.
Afraid of Marian.
Oh, yeah,
Pak,
well.
pak, pak. For Luis, I'll just mute him since
Mute
he's
him.
talkative.
Okay. because you're friends. Siguro.
Yeah.
Okay.
So si Ding Dong na lang interview ko.
Okay. All right. So,
And be wild with him.
okay, perfect. And
Okay.
then be killed later by
Yes,
Marian.
by Marian.
Next set, okay, Darren Espanto, Alden Richards, and
But you
Esner.
skipped one name.
Esner.
Esnir. Esnir is from PBB.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So the same
Yes,
same
yes.
choices. Esnir, mute.
Mute.
Ang
Bakit?
bilis.
Because you see him so much on PBB, you don't need to hear him.
I hosted an event and he was one of the guests. So,
Okay na yan. So
okay naman siya. So, pwede ko na siyang i-mute.
Okay.
Kasi nakausap ko na siya. Okay. Darren Espanto. Hindi
Smile
pwedeng
ka.
dalawang mute. Charot lang!
Di ba medyo
Ano?
viral siya ngayon?
Yeah,
dahil sa
because he did the Maui Wowie. You haven't done that. Have you tried that?
What is it? Ito yung ganun.
Yeah.
Ano yung Maui ano?
So dapat
Hindi.
naka-ano ka, sleeveless or
Tapos,
sandals. And then,
labas yung kilikili.
labas yung
ganun.
kilikili. And then you have to parang,
Hang from
I
something.
hang from here. Pero
Mhm.
parang mag-jonggal ito. O,
Yeah, I don't need to be viral. That's,
No.
yeah. Okay, back to Darren, Alden, or
Si Alden, sige, siya,
Mike.
So si Darren, hindi, interviewin ko na lang sige, okay, change. Darren, Mike. I'll interview Darren. Mix na lang Alden. Kasi he hosted, I think, Binibini ba or Miss Universe Philippines? Yung Iloilo! Yung gano'n, diba?
So,
Diba? So isasabayan ko siya doon.
Speaking of Alden,
Pasig!
so dibdib.
I'll ask Alden that question.
Hindi.
No! Because very wholesome yung image
Oh,
niya.
yeah.
That's why. So I can't,
Ako, hindi.
hindi masyado. Hindi masyado. But naging wholesome ka because of the Christmas tree.
Okay, yes.
Di ba? Ang ganda ng framing niya, para ka magle-letter reading.
Parang ako yung Santa Claus, yung bagong version.
Hindi, tsaka para ka magle-letter reading, parang, alam mo yung MMK,
oo.
alaala mo kaya. O yan, Dear Casey.
Chan, dibdib. Oh
Ah.
my God. Okay, last set. Junardo, Vic Soto, or Boyabunda?
Sige, since Junardo is my co-host or we're doing one show, so mute ko na lang siya.
Yeah.
So, co-host ako with Boy Abunda. And then, interview ko si Vic Soto.
What would you ask Tito Vic? What the question for Tito Vic?
Naku, baka after nun, ligwak ako. Teka, wait. Vic Soto. Briefs, boxers, o wala?
That medyo PG yan. That's tame.
Hindi ko kakayanin pag sinabi ni Vic Soto, wala.
Okay, sino yung una?
Si Ding Dong.
Si Ding Dong.
Wholesome din si
Luis. Hindi wholesome siya. Yeah, Luis.
Si Luis.
Game
pwede
si
yan.
Luis.
Game si Luis. Batibot sa umaga o batibot sa gabi?
Anong batibot?
That one. Oh, this is,
Rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah.
Jacket boy. Jacket
ang,
boy. Yeah.
ang bilis ma-make up. Tsaka gusto mo yung merong demo.
Oo.
Oh,
Minsan sa ankle ko.
Yeah.
Sa uulitin ang kwentuhan, kulitan at kalokohan. Kaya mag-follow at subscribe na sa YouTube, Spotify at iba pa naming socials para hindi mahuli sa susunod na kwentuhan with KC.